breakfast, so you know I get you're having sex for breakfast, yeah.
As you can see, Lexi's not with me. We're gonna start doing separate videos sometimes because we obviously can't always be together to film. But on the other note, Tuesday, and we don't have school because they're supposed to enroll us today. So, earlier today, my mom came and picked me up, and we went up to the school and like enrolled me in like all my classes and stuff. But today, as you can see, it's kind of depressing outside, and I am not living for it. But I'm trying to have like a productive day instead of like sitting around doing nothing all day, because sometimes that's okay, but I really don't like doing that. So I just finished filling out an application I have for like a camp thing I'm going to this summer, and let's see, I have laundry to do and a couple other things, but I'm just gonna kind of show you what I kind of do on like a rainy day or like some days that we don't have school. So yeah, I think I'm gonna make a smoothie because I didn't really eat lunch. I mean, I could have, I just wasn't hungry. So we're gonna make a smoothie because whoa, that is really cold. But I mean, I'm standing with the freezer door open, that's probably why. So we're gonna Okay, so I just finished making the smoothie, and well, I gotta clean up because I'm kind of a mess when I make things. Normally it goes everywhere, but thankfully today it didn't. Okay, so I got my smoothie, and well, now I think I'm gonna do laundry because if you know me, I'll wait like 2 weeks at a time to do it, but when I do it, I do all of it, and then I don't do it again for like 2 more weeks, so might as well go get it done now. Okay. Get this out. Okay. Oh. Hot. I hate laundry so much. But if I do it now, then I don't have to do it later. I don't know where the cat went, bro. So, story time, okay? So, yesterday I was staying up until like midnight, right? Because, you know, I was stressing out about all the classes that I gotta take for high school and stuff, and I was like, Bree, literally calm down. Like, it's gonna be okay, right? So, I don't know if anyone else can relate to, like, freaking out, because I'm like, well, if I don't take this class, then I can't do this, and if I don't do this, then I can't do that. And I'm like thinking, if I don't do one thing, then it's gonna like screw up my whole life. And I'm like, I was going insane, and I really need to stop going insane. And that door is really hard to shut. Okay, let's get my laundry so I can pick it up. Okay, I got it on my hip, and we're gonna go fold it. Gotta grab some hangers, because can't do laundry without hangers. Okay, so I just finished laundry, or folding one load. I still have one more load to go. I don't know when I'll do that, but gotta hang. I can get it to say so. Thank you. Gotta hang everything up. But you know what's really weird? I'm like kind of legal with driving tomorrow. I don't have to wait or drive around a parking lot anymore. I can drive like legally on the road for once. I get my permit tomorrow. I know, I'm young, I'm like 15. Well, obviously 15 now, but I turned 16 in September, so I'll be able to drive without a parent. Okay, that was really cringy. Oh my gosh. I need to go through my closet terribly bad. I'll probably do that next week during spring break. But a lot of people are already on spring break, except for Choctaw. Well, I take that back. Most of the schools like around us aren't. But there's a lot of people I know across the state, like some of my friends, have school. I'm kind of bummed out, but it's fine. Oh my gosh. I know. I'm kind of like boring. I'm just trying to have a productive day and actually do stuff, because normally I would probably not do laundry. Oh my gosh, I just broke a hanger. I don't know how I did that. But normally I would just like sit and like maybe do my homework. I mean, I get my homework done, but like if I do it now, then I don't have to do it later and procrastinate, you know? Because tonight The Bachelor comes on, and like, oh my gosh. It's like the finale, not final, finale, whatever, same thing. And let me tell you, bro, if Cassie don't get back with him, Bree's gonna be screaming. Yeah, I'm the weird kid who watches The Bachelor, but I just think it's really funny. Oh my gosh. So, and I don't know if you guys saw in like the time lapse that like eyeball. That was my dog Daisy. She decided she wanted to interrupt, which is fine. Yeah, I need to severely go through my closet. Probably sell some clothes. One day. One day, I'll sell some clothes. So, I'm not really sure what I'm going to do next. I mean, I have a presentation I have to do later this week, so I already have all the notes for that, but I can probably put that together. So maybe I should put that together tonight? I don't know. I've pretty much already cleaned my room. I need to wash my bedding, but I'll probably do that tomorrow. Or I could do that today and get it done with. I don't know. See, this is my problem. I'm like, should I do it? Or instead I should just be like, I should do it because I need to get it done. But see, that doesn't always happen. Sometimes I just do what I please. And it doesn't always work out. Okay. Hey guys, I think I'm going to end the vlog here. Thanks for watching. Sorry it was kind of short. I take that back. It wasn't really a vlog, but it kind of was. So, blew me out. But there's me kind of trying to be productive in a way. I don't know. Comment some video ideas down below for Lexi and I to do. We'll try and post a lot because I know we're kind of bad about that, but we're not really on a schedule. So, bye!